Biodata. In biodata, we shall give every detail: name, father's name or husband's name, date of birth, and again you will notice that everything has been written in clear words with the no surname, with no initial names. Use Shri or Miss or Mr. We never use before our own name. So at the end of every line, there is no need of a comma or a full stop. Date of birth, we have written in the same manner. We wrote the date, 25th November 1992. Now it's important that when you are writing an application, the span between your birth and your qualification should be complete. अब कोई आदमी ऐसा ना करे कि डेट तो लिख दिया कि 25 नवंबर 2010 और 2020 में एमएससी करके अप्लाई भी कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. प्रॉपर स्पैन कैलकुलेट करके आपको वहां पर लिखना चाहिए. नेशनैलिटी इंडियन, जेंडर फीमेल, मैरिटल स्टेटस सिंगल, मैरिड पीपल विल राइट मैरिड. Language is known: English, Hindi, and Punjabi. I have referred to 3 languages. So we have to be very sensible and calculative. Now, address. I have divided this slide in 2 parts. First, personal details, and then address, contact number, email. All these 3 points belong to contact group, and these contact groups should come together. The address I have already referred in the application right in the beginning in the form of the address of the sender, and the same address is here except the pin code number. Pin code number is very important because pin code number lets the reader know. कई बार ना एक ही नाम की 2 जगह होती हैं, एक ही नाम की 2 जगह होती हैं, तो उनमें से कौन से वाला है. जैसे हरियाणा की आप बात करें तो बरवाला नाम की 2 जगह है, एक हिसार में है, एक पंचकुला में है, तो आप कौन से बरवाला की बात कर रहे हैं. तो you should write pin code number which can distinguish between the two. Contact details, मोबाइल नंबर आप दें, चाहे मैंने जो दिया है वो भी इमेजिनरी है, दोनों लैंडलाइन और मोबाइल नंबर. हालांकि लैंडलाइन नंबर जो मैंने दिया है उसमें जो एसटीडी कोड दिया गया है वो बिल्कुल सही है, फरीदाबाद का ही है, 0129. और आप जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दें दैट कैन बी इमेजिनरी. ईमेल एड्रेस भी बिल्कुल एड्रेस की तरह से का होना चाहिए. ये जो मैंने दिया है ये भी बिल्कुल इमेजिनरी है और ये रियल नहीं है. सो मोबाइल नंबर शुड बी ऑफ 10 डिजिट्स. लैंडलाइन नंबर भी उसी टाइप से ठीक होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल देखने में जायज और रियल लगना चाहिए. आफ्टर दिस वी टॉक अबाउट एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस. अपने बायोडाटा में हम एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन का जिक्र जरूर करते हैं. दिस इज द टेबल. अब एग्जाम पास्ट कौन से बोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से किया है, year of passing, subjects passed, percentage of marks. You can form one more column also. You can any remarks etc, whether you stood first in the university or any achievement, for example 10th class. Now once again, year of passing should be according to, you cannot pass 10th class before the age of 15 or 16. So you have to give the year 2009 I have given, and the birth was in 1992. Now you have to calculate, you make certain calculations, percentage of marks and real subjects, because in Haryana we have Hindi, English compulsory subjects, and in metric usually 10th class we have mathematics and science and social studies etc. So these subjects and an imaginary percentage marks, 10 plus 2, name of the board, and if metric is in 2009, 10 plus 2 cannot be before 2011. Similarly, BSc cannot be before 2014, MSc cannot be before 2016, and B.Ed 2018. ये हो सकता है कि BSc के तुरंत बाद आपने B.Ed कर लिया हो, MSc उसके बाद किया हो, it is possible. So you have to write, and the subjects, बिल्कुल दिमाग को बंद करके ये चीज़ें नहीं करनी है. You have to be sensible. In 10th class we have 6 subjects. I have written 6. In 10 plus 2 we have 5 subjects. In BSc we have 3 subjects. And in MSc we have 1 subject only. In B.Ed we have some subjects, though there is a long list of 10-12 subjects in B.Ed, but we can refer optional subject, 2-3 optional subjects. And after this we come to the bottom part of the biodata, and we can write about hobbies. What are my hobbies? And my strengths or weakness you can refer here. Your experience, 1 year teaching experience as science teacher at Delhi Public School. The experience should be relevant because what purpose we are going to aspire for here, we have to give the experience which is related to that field. After this, you have to put your signature. It's very important because a biodata becomes authentic only if you write your you put your signature at the bottom of it. Then you write your name in bracket, and then you put a date, because you need to update your biodata. And the date given here means that by this date you have you have achieved these qualifications. 24th of April 2020, and name of the place and date, these two things, and signature are must. If your biodata runs in 2 pages, 3 pages, then at the bottom of every page there should be a signature. So this is all about letter writing, practically how to write a letter. If you see, then you will find that your first page of your application will look like this. Everything on the left hand, extreme left hand, address, and then address of the receiver, and then date and subject and salutation and body of the letter beginning with extreme left hand side, and then subscription, and then enclosure. Everything on left hand side here. Your application will look like this in one page. At its bottom comes enclosures. And if you see your biodata, then that all looks like this. This is your biodata, will look like this in one page. So these 2 pages you will attach together. Application will be the first page and biodata will form the next page, and you can always send it through email or through post. By post you can send it to the school. So these are the methods how to write a letter. Thank you very much and best of luck.